One of the best things that I did back in 2016 when I just started out in the AR VR space was to attend a lot of game jams. I probably went to 20, 30 game jams. Not all of them were AR VR related, but it helped me so much to build up a portfolio, to meet amazing, talented, insanely cool people, and getting ton of opportunities for job offers and getting headsets sponsored and like lots of amazing things. So the best thing that you can do is to go to amazing jams. And with that being said, we are happy to announce our very first VR Super Jam with prizes worth of $1,000 and more. And I'm not alone there. I have teamed up with an amazing VR YouTuber as well, who is doing amazing VR content, just like we do here as well, who is Justin P. Barnett, and he's doing super good content on VR related topics, so Oculus Quest development, VR stuff, basically what you have here as well. And I think that will be amazing. So let's come together and make a really cool jam. So what the hell is a game jam? So we are all on the same level. Basically, you have a certain amount of time. In our case, it's gonna be 3 days, so 72 hours, 72, to create a prototype of a VR application. It doesn't matter which headset, doesn't matter which engine you use, like all these specific rules are linked below, no worries. There will be a itch.io page where you can register and see all the prices, the rules, and the finding a team, all of these kind of things will be taken care of, no worries. But basically you have 3 days to create a little prototype, and the coolest ones will get prizes. And I cannot stress enough how much this helps. Basically, you have to create something in a very small amount of time, and that just boosts your creativity. It helps you to build a portfolio. But I think the best thing is it helps you to meet amazing people, to get into the community, to get into the industry, because we will showcase all of your applications. So they will be posted here on YouTube, on my Discord server, on LinkedIn, all of these places. So your apps will be seen as well if you want it, of course. If you don't want it, then no worries, just tell us. But basically it helps you a lot to stand out and build a portfolio if you do it more times as well. So when is the game jam? The game jam will be on October 22nd, 2021 until October 24th, 2021. And all of the more details that you need to know are linked below on the itch.io page, which is the official HubSpot for everything related to this game jam. No worries, maybe you will think 72 hours for making a game, or VR game even, sounds super hard, but no worries, we will help you out. We will provide a ready-to-go Unity project, which is already set up for VR, so you can just download the template and get started already. We will help you in the community to find awesome people, and also if you have any problems or questions, we will be there to help you. There will be a dedicated spot on the Discord server for the VR jam, so you can go there, you can chat, you can meet people, you can ask questions. We are there for you. And I will create jam related topics on this channel, so if you have any questions on anything, just let me know right below the comments or wherever you find to contact me. Tell us and I will create these videos, and we will create a lot of content just so you have everything that you need. So what are the next steps? Basically, check out the description. There's this itch.io page where you can register. You can also add your team already. Check out our Discord server. We will help you to find an amazing team. And all the rules are below. And if you have any questions, of course, let us know. Check out Justin's channel as well. He's doing really cool stuff as well. And I will try to create a lot of content for specifically this jam, so all of your questions will be answered. And I'm very excited to do this jam, and I can't wait to play test your amazing applications. This is gonna be amazing. It's gonna be super.